Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. Have you ever wondered how you can save hours on your YouTube, creating YouTube video as a small YouTuber or solopreneur? In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can save hours because we all know that creating a video and uploading it on YouTube is not easy. It's a process from getting a title, getting your script, to creating the video. And after you're done creating the video, you have to get description, tags, and thumbnails. And all this process take time. But today, I'll be showing you a way that you can save hours. So if you can have time to watch this video to the end, I'll show you some of the tools that I use that save me hours as a small YouTuber, so that I can go to the next project or go to the next video that I'll be creating. So mostly the first thing we do is we create a video, and after we create a video, we have to upload to our channel. So we have to upload to our channel, and uploading to the channel, after you upload, you have to get a description, the tag, hashtags, and at the same time thumbnail. And if you have any other social media platforms that you want your video to go, like X, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, it takes a while, which is a long process. And sometimes some of us, when we start YouTube or start our business on YouTube, we go through all this and mostly we give up because we feel like it's a long process. But today I'll be showing you how you can save hours on it. So I'll walk you through how I do it, and after that, I will let you know about the tool that I use whilst I'm walking you through. So let's say I'm about to upload a video to one of my channels. So what I do is I go to the channel, click on create, upload, and once the page comes, I click here to upload the video. So I already have the video. In case you guys want me to go through how I created the video, I'll be glad to do that. And please, if you have any question or comment, drop it below. I read most of the comment. At all times, I read a comment so I can answer your question. And please don't forget to hit the like button. So I come here at the file, click on the video, and it uploads. As you can see here, this video already have the title, which I can even take the title off, and the tool will still give me a title for the video, even if I don't have a title. But you see here, there's no description that I have here. All that I have is hope this video labor and assist your decision, So what I'll do is I'll click on this. It says copy. So I'll copy this link and just go ahead and click on next. You always have to the end screen. So that one I'll do. Okay. All right, and then click on save. I didn't put, as you can see, I did not put any description, and even the title. This tool can help me also get a right title if the one that I have is not good. It can help me get a title, an SEO title for the video. So I click on next, and it's either I do on list or public. So right now it's on list. So I just click on save. And remember, I already pick a link from this video. So it's uploading. Guys, I think I'm moving fast, but it's uploading and it says 3 minutes left. So after it's done, uploading, all that I have to do is it's still uploading. So once it's done, so now, as you can see, it's right here, it's done. So what I do is I go to the tool, which is Taja AI. And the link that I copied, I paste it here, click on start, and it start working, which probably take a couple of minutes. And it'll give me the title, option titles that I can choose from. Okay, it's done. As you can see here. So see, I already got description. Discover the 6 incredible fruits that can help shrink and enlarge prostate naturally and improve urinary health. Okay, and as you scroll down, it gives you the tags. You can see the 31 is like low SEO, so you can delete and add, and the 38 too, so you can delete and add some more. But you see what it is done here for this video. And after that, it gives me this option of titles that I can choose from. So everybody, you always have to go for the highest. So once you click on it, now we have it here, 6 fruits to shrink and enlarge prostate. And you scroll down all the way, it says need a thumbnail. So with a thumbnail, you have an option of doing a fully AI generated, which will generate an AI thumbnail, or you can do the add a face from the video. So most of the time, I do add a face from the video. So it says it's analyzing the video content. Once it's analyzing, so as you can see, we get thumbnail here. So it says shrink prostate naturally. You can generate more if you want, or if you want to use the one that is here, that one too is okay. So in case you want to generate more, all that you do is you click again, generate, and you go ahead and do that. Once you see the one that you like, you just click on it. Edit, and this is it here. Okay, as you can see. So you can come here and change the colors. You can change the text. In case you have something to write, you can go ahead and write it. And in case you want to change the color, the background color for the text, accent color, you got all these options here. So what I do is I'll change this one. Okay, kind of like it. I'm trying not to make the video too long. So if you want this, you have two options, either to download it to your computer, or you just click on here, save. Once you click on save, you go back. And when you go back, you come back here. What you do is now you have thumbnail, you have your title. Okay. These are the thumbnails. Okay, I kind of like this. Guys, I'm sorry. Kind of like this one here. So you can still change it if you like different one. So now I'm changing my thumbnail before, but I still change this color here. Okay. Okay, like it. So now I click on save, go back, and what it does is it's ready. So I click on publish, and once you click on publish, you have an option of to the public, unlisted, or private. So I'll do unlisted for now because I have to schedule the video. So it says sync into YouTube, and it takes you to YouTube. It's done successfully. Okay. And after that, what I do too is repurpose content. Here, when you click on it, what it does is if you have other social media platforms, it will clip the videos and take it there for you. So with my other social media platforms, okay, and it gives you score too. So what I do is if I want this one, okay, can pick anyone that you want here. All right, and then hit on Sergio. So as you can see, I have YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, okay, and here too it gives description and the title. So all that I do is I click on auto Sergio. I have an option. So then I click on Sergio, which is it says congratulations, short content has been Sergio. So what I do is you can go to content calendar and you see that I have all this here that will go out when there's time, because what Taja does is the time that your viewers view your content. So it sets you to the time and everything. Guys, this is it. And in case you're interested in grabbing Taja, it's on AppSumo right now, which after 2 days they'll be gone. Okay, so as you can see, it says 2 days, deal ends in 2 days. And let's see what they have for the plans. They have 53, 10 for the lifetime access. You can generate 4 titles, 8 videos per month, 12 videos per month. Unlimited videos is this one here, the multiple. So the single will give you 4 videos per month, double 8, multiple you get 12, or if you want the unlimited, you can choose this one here. Guys, it saves time. I know you can give it a try. You can go to their website too and try it over there. And if you're interested, I will leave a link below that you can check it out. But I'm not affiliated with AppSumo, and I think having a lifetime deal, you can beat that compared to the prices. We can go to their website and see the prices that the subscription, their prices for subscription. Okay, so you go to the website and as you can see, that's how much time it saves. And these are the plans. They start at 1 user. This is how much a year. Okay. If you want to do monthly, $49.99 a month. For the starter, the semi-pro, $79.99, and the pro is $109.99 a month. So guys, as you can see, you can grab it on AppSumo before it goes. You got only 2 days. And I will leave a link below in case you miss the AppSumo deal and you still want it. This one will make your job faster and easier as a small YouTuber. Thanks for watching. Please leave the comment below and I'll be glad to answer. And if there's any other video that you want me to create, please let me know. Thank you once again.